In the tapestry of human agriculture, few plants are as iconic as maize, or corn, a global staple that feeds billions. From the fields of the Midwest to markets in Africa and Asia, corn's journey from wild grass to worldwide crop is a testament to human ingenuity. But alongside corn, once stood another giant amaranth. Amaranth's story is one of resilience and deep historical significance, flourishing for millennia beside maize in ancient civilizations. It was more than food, it was strength ritual and life itself. While corn became dominant, amaranth faded into obscurity, its power nearly forgotten. Our reliance on a few crops like corn has made our food supply vulnerable. The story of amaranth offers a lesson in diversity and resilience. A lost supercrop, nearly erased, now returning with vital lessons for our future. To understand amaranth is to rediscover a plant that may hold the key to a more resilient world. Before Europeans arrived, civilizations like the Aztecs, Mayans, and Incas thrived on their mastery of crops like amaranth, known as huautli. Amaranth was a sacred gift, as vital as maize, paid as tribute to emperors and used to fuel armies and laborers. Its seeds were toasted, ground into flour, or mixed with honey to make alegria, a food of joy and endurance. Amaranth's power was both physical and spiritual. Its red flowers symbolized life and immortality. Aztec priests crafted godly statues from amaranth dough for sacred rituals, connecting people to their deities. Eating amaranth was believed to bestow divine strength, a belief now supported by its nutritional value. For these cultures, amaranth nourished both body and soul, sustaining them through centuries. It was revered, not just consumed, a true fuel of empire. The cycle of life, faith, and resilience was embodied in this remarkable grain. Amaranth is a hidden superfood. Its tiny seeds are a complete nutritional package. Unlike most grains, amaranth contains all 9 essential amino acids, making it a rare plant-based complete protein. It's rich in iron, magnesium, and calcium, addressing common nutritional deficiencies in a single serving. Naturally gluten-free, amaranth is a safe, nutritious alternative for those with gluten sensitivities. Its flour makes breads and pastries that are both healthy and inclusive. Compared to other health foods, amaranth boasts more protein than quinoa, more iron than spinach, and more calcium than milk. Rediscovering amaranth is more than a trend. It's a chance to bring a powerful, complete food back to our tables. The energy it gave ancient warriors is now a solution for modern malnutrition. The Spanish conquest of the Americas was not just military, it was cultural. They saw amaranth's central role in Aztec society and its sacred rituals as a threat. The Spanish banned amaranth, burning fields and punishing those who grew or ate it. Wheat and barley replaced it, severing a vital link between people and their land. This act of suppression led to malnutrition and hardship, as a resilient, nutritious crop was nearly erased. The Spanish nearly succeeded in wiping out amaranth, targeting both its spiritual and nutritional significance. Yet the grain of the gods survived, hidden by those who refused to let it disappear. Amaranth's survival became a story of quiet resistance. Its legacy endured, waiting for rediscovery. Despite the ban, indigenous families became secret guardians of amaranth. They hid seeds in clay pots, thatched roofs, and remote plots, passing them down through generations. Mothers taught daughters to grow it in secret. Fathers shared its stories with sons. Amaranth survived in hidden gardens and family memories, a quiet act of defiance. Cultivating it was risky. Discovery could mean ruin, but the people persisted. Amaranth's resilience mirrored their own, thriving in poor soil and drought, where European crops failed. Its hardiness made secret cultivation possible, ensuring its survival through centuries of oppression. Thanks to these guardians, amaranth was never lost, just waiting in the shadows. The seeds became symbols of hope, rebellion, and cultural endurance. Today, their legacy allows amaranth to re-emerge as a crop of the future. Amaranth is making a comeback, thriving in gardens and farms worldwide. It's incredibly easy to grow, tolerant of poor soils and minimal care, perfect for beginners in challenging environments. Planting is simple. Scatter seeds on soil, rake lightly, and let sunlight do the rest. The seedlings grow quickly, needing only sun and a little water. Amaranth's deep roots make it drought-tolerant, ideal for a future with scarce water. Even during heat waves, it stands tall when other crops wilt. Harvesting is easy. Pick young leaves for greens, and later, collect seeds from drooping flower heads. A few plants yield a surprising amount of grain, connecting us to ancient cycles of sowing and harvest. Amaranth turns even small spaces into productive, resilient food sources. Its return is a hands-on lesson in sustainability and abundance. As climate change threatens food security, scientists are turning to amaranth for answers. Its natural drought and heat tolerance make it a climate-smart crop for the future. Amaranth uses C4 photosynthesis, converting sunlight efficiently and conserving water, ideal for hot, dry regions. Studies confirm its nutritional power, making it vital for fighting malnutrition, especially in vulnerable populations. Organizations are promoting amaranth in Africa and Asia, where it thrives when other crops fail. Its genetic diversity, preserved by centuries of non-industrial cultivation, offers untapped potential for breeding even more resilient varieties. Scientists are exploring its many species to develop crops suited to local challenges. Amaranth is both an ancient survivor and a cutting-edge solution. Amaranth is experiencing a global renaissance, moving from hidden gardens to health food stores and restaurant menus. In North America and Europe, it's found as grain, cereal, and gluten-free flour. In Mexico, alegría is celebrated as a national heritage, reconnecting people to their Aztec roots. Farmers are reviving amaranth fields, and cooperatives are restoring it to daily diets. In India, known as Rajgira, it's gaining popularity beyond traditional fasting foods. African agricultural programs use amaranth to combat food insecurity and soil degradation. Chefs and home cooks alike are embracing its nutty flavor in diverse dishes. The return of amaranth is a movement for health, sustainability, and cultural pride. The grain of the gods is reclaiming its place on tables worldwide. Amaranth's story reminds us that the wisdom of the past can guide our future. Its survival is a testament to the courage of those who protected it through centuries of suppression. Today, as we face climate and food challenges, amaranth's return feels essential. Planting or eating amaranth connects us to ancient farmers and secret guardians. Each seed links us to a chain of resilience and hope. Amaranth teaches us about the power of diversity, both in crops and in thinking. It's a lesson in resilience, culture, and the deep ties between food and identity. Embracing amaranth is an act of optimism, a belief that lost wisdom can solve modern problems. The grain of the gods has returned, not just to nourish, but to inspire. Now it's our turn to be its guardians.